Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to create sets in Tableau. We will work with the sample Superstore data. Imagine that the manager of the Superstore wants you to create a bar graph showing profitability of various subcategories. Creating this bar graph is simple. However, the manager wants to highlight the top 5 most profitable subcategories. This means that the manager wants the bars pertaining to the top 5 subcategories to have a distinct color compared to the color of the rest of the bars. We will first create a bar graph with profit on the y-axis and subcategory on the x-axis. For this, just drag profit to the rows shelf and subcategory to the columns shelf. By default, Tableau creates a bar graph by arranging the x-axis labels in alphabetical order. If you want to arrange them in ascending or descending order of profitability, click on one of these two icons in the top toolbar. I will arrange them in a descending order. All the bars have the same color. We can manually change the colors of the top 5 bars and complete this exercise. However, coloring each bar manually is not optimum. If in future there is any change to the profitability of the subcategories, the colors of bars will not automatically change. That's why we use sets. To create a set of the top 5 most profitable categories, right-click on the subcategory field and select Create Set. First, give a name to the set. I will call this set Top 5. Next, select Top. As we need to create a set with the top 5 most profitable subcategories, click on By field. Here choose Top in the first box, type 5 in the second box, choose Profit in the third box, and finally sum in the fourth box. This tells Tableau that we will pick the top 5 most profitable subcategories. Note that we selected the sum of profits. However, you could pick any other statistic such as average, minimum, or maximum. Click the OK button to exit. This will create a set top 5. It will start appearing on the left panel in Tableau. To assign a different color to this set, drag the set and drop it on the color card. You can change the colors by clicking on the color card and then selecting Edit Colors. Now choose whichever color you want. Once you are satisfied, click OK to exit. This concludes the tutorial on creating a set in Tableau.